Today we're looking at an AI-powered whiteboard, which is extremely powerful, and by the end of this video, you're going to know exactly how to use it and some incredibly powerful use cases that will fully optimize your workflow. As always, I have a link in the description below, but today's tool is called Boardmix. And you can create whiteboards, mind maps, flowcharts, presentations, AI art. It does writing for you, documents, and worksheets. And if that's not enough, they have a whole template center, which will give you access to like hundreds of different templates. So say we want to brainstorm on something, we can go to the brainstorming template section and we can see all the different brainstorming templates. Or if we want to plan something, we can go to the strategy and planning section. Where this tool really shines is its AI integration. We can click AI generated template. It's going to load and create a project for us, and on the right side we're going to have an AI assistant. On the AI assistant we have different tabs as well, like productivity, business reports, and writing, AI art. So say we went to productivity and I want to create a mind map for something I am working on. I can actually click mind map and it is going to bring up additional questions for me. Here I can make it search the web, add files, enter a topic, whatever I want. There's a lot of options. So I have a simple prompt of an actual game I am working on, which is I want to create a mobile game where an AI picks a word and the user has to guess it. So we're going to hit enter, we're going to hit submit, and you can see the AI assistant is starting to think. It is making the AI mind map for us, and you can see it here. It's AI word guessing mobile game. So we have our game concept, it's AI driven gameplay. We can see a full flowchart here giving us direction of what we can do. We can click anywhere into our flowchart and make modifications. So if we want to change like the color of the lines, we can do that. Or we want to change how it all looks. So this one is now rounded and this teal color. We can double click and rewrite or retype different things on our AI generated flowchart. We can go anywhere on here and we can hit the plus and we can add additional subtopics in and just kind of expand our workflow, expand our mind map in any which way we want and keep adding to it. This is incredibly powerful and incredibly helpful. So if you look, we now have a general flow for a game concept and we can say, hey, this is how the game is going to work. We have some additional game mechanics, so like a guessing process and how to all look, AI implementation, the core logic of how it'll work, and then our user interface. Of course, I can go through the entire process and modify it all to my liking, but I have a very good base to start with that I just typed up a prompt, and I'm going to have a good workflow that I can actually use when programming or vibe coding. The better your idea, the better your outline that you give to an AI to vibe code for you, or if you're an actual programmer and you want to program your idea, you'll know that you're having your initial MVP, your initial idea all together makes it a lot easier to actually code it all. This tool is incredibly powerful and we are just touching the surface level of this whiteboard AI is able to do, what this Boardmix is able to do. So there are reactions. We can do a video meeting and do this live with other people or have a chat. We can integrate votes. On the left, we have an incredible number of tools that we can access. So we can add like a frame or different shapes. And they have so many different ones that we can go through in different categories. So say we wanted network topology, we can add that in really quickly. We have different connection lines and what those look like. We can quickly add text anywhere on our whiteboard. We can add little sticky notes for future us. There's a pen tool, so we can actually like draw on it. We can add tables, blocks, and everything is movable. You can delete it all, you can modify it. It is very easy to use. Still, my favorite feature is the AI built in, because on the right here, you can see, hey, it recognizes what we're doing. So we can say, hey, here's our recommended cases. So let's see, okay, what's the user login flow look like? And we can click go, and it's going to generate another little table here with our user login flow. So now we have our game up here, and we also have a user login flow down here. So we can say, okay, is the user registered? What's going to happen when they are registered or not? And again, we have a nice little workflow here. We can even type in things like, how can I advertise my game? So we are just putting a normal prompt in, and then we can say, okay, here's how we can advertise it. So we can actually zoom in now, and we can say, here's our target audience. So we're going to choose different channels. So do we want to do paid advertisement? We're gonna have to set a budget, figure out a return on investment, have a strategy, and then continue optimizing our campaigns. If we want to go social media, here's how we can do it. We have influencer marketing, and like game review websites, so we can reach out and say, hey, help us out with games. So just in a few clicks, we are gathering tons of data, and we can go and edit it and say, okay, these are the social media websites we want to post to, and we can add even like little flowcharts saying, hey, this is how we're going to create the social media content. This is our workflow that we want to have. Here's how we can optimize our workflow. They even have templates for apps, so we can actually start modifying an actual app to see how it'll look. Whether you're a software developer creating diagrams and workflows, or a marketing team using the mind mapping feature, brainstorming ideas for a new marketing campaign, or maybe you're in manufacturing and you want to create a flowchart to show, hey, here's how our product's going from one part to the other, and here's our process for when a product is defective. You can add in SMART goals for businesses, create technical diagrams, or maybe your software development team needs a Scrum board that you guys can all work on digitally, all in real time, even across video chats, which is just absolutely wild. Or you want to come up with a new product idea, you can brainstorm. You can just click at the top and you can search for like basically an infinite amount of templates. So Agile Workflow, we can click that. It's going to link you to the templates, and we can now quickly create and start using a daily Scrum board. So now I can start using the Scrum board with my friends and I to start building our AI word game. I want to come back to our game workflow for a second, and in the bottom left, we have this option here. We can click PowerPoint and we can generate an outline with AI. So we can click that, we can click generate outline, we can put in a prompt, and it's going to start generating an outline of our entire game in a nice presentation outline. You can see it all here. Here's our presentation outline. We can hit start generating. We can pick our theme. We can hit start. We now have an actual slide of our game that we can just show off and say, hey, this is what we're working on. This is what we're trying to build. This is what our MVP is. Boardmix is an incredibly powerful tool that can really do pretty much anything and everything for different jobs, workflows, businesses, marketing, the list goes on. In terms of cost, I love the fact that they offer lifetime deals. So it's like a one-time purchase of $99 and you get access to this forever, because I personally hate monthly subscriptions, despite having so many for this channel for you guys, so you can stay up to date with the latest and greatest AI. And if you're unaware, I do a video pretty much every single day, keeping you in the loop with everything that is happening. So if you want to stay up to date, don't forget to subscribe. Let me know what your thoughts are on Boardmix. Leave a comment down below. I think it is incredibly powerful and something I am going to purchase and add to my everyday business workflow. Don't forget to like the video. It tells the algorithm you enjoy this type of content and you want to see more of it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow with another AI video.
AI tools, AI news, AI prompts you can use. It's all for free. Just come and see at franklinA.com, where you're meant to be.